Hello, City of Jackson. I am Marion Fortner, the interim rector at St. James Episcopal Church, and I'm here with my colleague and friend,
Ann Maxwell, the Dean of St. Andrew's Episcopal Cathedral here in Jackson. And we are here to ring the city with prayers. We are standing in front of Baptist Medical Center, and we are so grateful for all of those who work here that are working so hard to keep us safe, that do every day, and in particular in the midst of this pandemic. And so we come to Baptist this evening to offer a prayer.
the Lord be with you.
And also with you.
Let us pray. God, our strength in ages past, our hope for years to come, we lift up to you this night those who have dedicated their lives to protecting and healing ours. Strengthen them by your life-giving Spirit, that they may have a clear mind and a steady hand, and offer the very best care to your children who suffer in mind, body, and spirit this night. May your spirit of peace pervade these halls and all feel under the care of your guiding hand. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
The peace of the Lord be always with you.
And also with you.